We have a flat tire.
What are you doing? Why are you folding it? You scolded me for this
Please
yesterday.
keep quiet and get the toolbox.
What?
The box has tools. Don't react like that. Look for it.
Okay. I'll look for it.
Who calls a mechanic for this? He said it and she believed him. If I call her silly, she feels bad. Seriously.
Look, is this the one?
Keep it here. It's not starting. I have to check the engine.
What? It will take more time. Oh Lord. The event has started. Oh Lord. What will happen now?
Requesting Mr. Siddharth Modak to come to the venue, please. It is time to declare the Best Employee of the Year award. So, ladies and gentlemen, the representatives of our company have selected only one name as the best employee of PCG. I would request the Chief of Operations of the Bengaluru branch, Mrs. Radhika Nair, to come now to the stage. Ma'am, please come to the stage and do the honors.
It's not starting. What will happen now? To top it all, his clothes have been stained with grease.
Did you leave me with an option? Huh? I'm losing my mind, Mithai. If we can't make it on time, we lose face in front of everyone. I won't be able to see Grandpa lose like this. At least I won't be able to bear that, Mithai. And I know this very well, that you won't be able to bear it either.
I have been praying to my Lord. He isn't answering my prayers today. Are you upset with me, oh Lord? Why are you upset with me? Please help us today, oh Lord. Start the truck. Please start the truck, oh Lord, please.
Mithai, stop these nonsensical things, please. I can't take all this anymore. You wait here. I'll check one more time. Mithai, say the famous line that you say before starting a work. Come on, say that.
What? No, I won't say all that. Should I say Hail the Lord? You start the engine, I'll say it.
Okay.
Hail the Lord! It started! Oh Lord, you helped us! Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you!
Mithai, listen, we have to go fast. It's already very late. Get in.
Where is Siddharth?
I have no idea. Torsha,
Yes,
call
sir.
Siddharth right away.
Sir, I've been trying to call him, but his phone is switched off. I don't understand why Sid hasn't got to the venue yet. In fact, Siddheshwar Modak Group isn't here with the dessert either. I have requested Agrawal Group to come here.
What? What are you saying? I just can't believe it.
Any problem, Torsha?
Ma'am, please start the speech. Everyone is waiting. Kindly start.
Okay.
Siddharth's phone is switched off. Don't know what happened. They'll announce his name soon.
Did he go in search of Mithai? I can't understand. I'm seriously nervous now. What is he doing?
Ambrish, even I can't understand anything. We can't start any counter until Mithai arrives. What will happen if someone wants to taste the dessert?
Oof. Grandfather and grandmother are also staring at us. Hey, brother. I was saying, go and tell them everything is fine here.
Well, if Grandpa and Grandma ask us about Siddharth and Mithai, what will we tell them?
Shri?
Yes.
Have a look at Torsha. Don't you think she is behaving strangely?
Mithai, be quick. People start eating in the middle of the event. Let's run.
Fast! I have to be fast!
Now for the best employee category of PCG, we have three names. Arjun Saxena from our Mumbai brand. In the last quarter, Arjun has very successfully completed 5 projects along with his team. So, a very big round of applause for Arjun. Next, Avni Kaur from our Delhi branch. Avni and her team have accomplished the first eco-friendly building construction of PCG. So a big round of applause for Avni. Ma'am, where is Mr. Siddharth Modak? His name will be announced in a while.
I don't know. I don't understand why Sid hasn't got to the venue yet. We made an announcement too.
And last but not the least,
Mr. Modak, where is Siddharth? And where is Mithai? Siddharth's name will be announced. If Siddharth can't reach here on time, it will be very bad.
What can I say? I can't understand anything.
Yes, sir?
Hasn't the counter opened yet?
No, sorry, sir. Actually, we aren't ready yet. Please give us a little time. The counter will open in a while.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
ladies and gentlemen, now we will announce the name of our third star employee. He has helped PCG bag an international project worth 2,200 million rupees this year. All of us feel very, very proud of him.
Help, Lord. Please help.
Probably for some reason, he hasn't been able to be present here today. But PCG always acknowledges his contribution.
Hey, what has happened to Sid? Where did Sid go?
I just can't understand anything, Sushma.
Siddharth Modak, I request you all to give a big hand to Siddharth Modak. Ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to request Mrs. Nair to announce the Best Employee Award of the Year. Who's the winner? Come on, guys, give a big round of applause and make some noise. Who is winning? Is it Delhi or Mumbai or Kolkata?
Mumbai, Mumbai, Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Come on, PCG Kolkata.
Kolkata, Kolkata, Kolkata.
Kolkata, 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 Kolkata.
Kolkata.
But Sid sir isn't present here. This isn't fair.
Let's see who is the winner. It's Siddharth Modak from Kolkata.
Yes!
Let's go. Come on.
Mithai,
Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. Siddharth, go to the stage. You are being called up on the stage.
Sid, you have won the award. You have to go to the stage. Go, come on.
Don't just stand here, Siddharth. Go now. What have you done to yourself?
How will he go on the stage smeared with soot? What a disaster. It's all my fault, grandmother. Actually, the truck broke down in the middle of the road.
Siddharth, you come on the stage. Receive the award.
How do I go on the stage like this? Does anyone have a tissue here?
Tissue?
The soot that's smeared on the coat can't be cleaned. I have cleaned your forehead though. Go. Go now.
Ladies and gentlemen, Siddharth Modak. Sir, a few words.
Sure, ma'am. Well, quite an eventful day. I mean, not just because PCG has given me this honor today, but it's because I could honor my closest and the most favorite person on this planet Earth. It's my grandfather, ladies and gentlemen. My grandpa. Grandpa, whether there was anyone else by my side or not, you were always there to support me. It's an emotion which I can't express through words. It's beyond words. Thank you, Grandpa. I'm done. I'm sorry. Thank you. Thank you all for everything. Thank you very much.
Sir, to whom do you want to give credit for helping you achieve this award? Please tell everyone.
Sure, ma'am. Actually, I want to thank each and every employee of PCG's Kolkata branch. Seriously. Without their support today, I wouldn't have achieved this award or bagged the contract too. So, Torsha, Roy and team, Torsha has helped me a lot. Thank you, Torsha.
Torsha, please come on stage.
And I want to mention one more thing. This award belongs to each one of us. I dedicate it to you all. Thank you very much.